A little something, something, something.
So it's time to take my hair out. I already cut the ends. I can't even remember what my hair even looks like at this point, so we shall see. Yeah, so it's gonna be like a hair vlog. I'm just gonna title it a hair vlog because it's not really like a routine as such. It's just what I'm doing today. Because wash day is a day. What do you think? Yeah. It's currently it's literally 16:16. So it's like 4:15. Hopefully I'll be done by 8. Right, that looks horrible. But who cares? I might get my scissors and cut a bit more off some of them. I need to get a bag. I'll just use my bin. Let's see how long my hair actually takes me to do. I'm not properly washing it. I'm actually just going to be doing the rhassoul clay mask. I don't have apple cider vinegar, so it's just going to be water today, but should be fine because that mask literally clarifies your hair and moisturizes it as well. And then if I just put in some leave-in, twist it up, should be a good twist out for tomorrow. The sun is going right now. Actually is. Yeah, so I'm just going to play some YouTube.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you do. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. I wanna be down. I know anybody's.
So good as well. And then I also got this candle, which isn't as
Some guy just walked, the light is a bit weird right now. So some guy just walked past my window and was like, what the hell? In my head I was thinking, have you never seen a girl take her braids out before? Like, but yeah, I'm nearly done. Sprayed out is low-key giving, but I can't wait to wash my hair. My scalp is itchy. So I didn't actually wash my hair like a raisin, which I usually do, but I just didn't this time around. So yeah, I need to make sure my scalp is clean after this. But my hair's still surprisingly soft, which is good. But yeah, I'm nearly done. I don't know how long I've been doing this. It's currently, oh, just over an hour then. Because I started at 16:16, it's now 5:34. So hopefully I'll be finished by 6-ish. I'm not gonna have my hair done by 8. I don't know what I was thinking. But as long as it's twisted by like 10, it's calm. Cause I got uni tomorrow. Let's get early and sit on the dryer or something, I don't know. Or sit on the dryer a little bit before I go to bed and figure it out. So I still need to cook dinner. I'm just gonna make a quick stir fry though. Nothing too crazy because I haven't got time to be properly cooking like that. Just finished taking my hair out, braid out, looking cute, whatever. Hair's not smelling awful. Like, it smells like it needs a wash, but it's not like, wait. I actually missed my curls. I'm actually in the mood to do my hair, which is mad. But yeah, I need to eat first because I'm hungry. And collect my Amazon order. Please, please tell me it's arrived. Delivered. Yes. Great. I'll go and get that. Now have dinner and then put my clay mask in. But my hair smells super soft, so I feel like the natural oils is just doing its thing, you know. It's currently 8. Hopefully I'm done latest 11, as in twisting, clearing shower, whatever, and I can sleep by like 11:30, hopefully. I'm leaving this so late. Yeah, I'm gonna just watch on YouTube and get this mask in my hair.
If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I know is my body, 'cause I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. All I know is my body, 'cause I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody. If I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. I'm not just anybody.
Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna find your body. Please stay. It's me. You don't have to admit you want away. It's me. Let me rock you to the break of day. It's me. Got time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I have whatever you have. Come on, give it the world. I've been watching you. I like the way you move. So go ahead, girl, just do that shit the way you do. Grab your girls and you grab a couple more. All can meet me in the middle of the course. So the air is thick, it's smelling right. So you pass to the left and you sail to the right. Don't be so quick to walk away. It's me. I wanna rock your body. Please stay. It's me. Talk to me, boy.
Okay, just finished putting the hair mask in. Curls are popping. I'm gonna let this sit in for a bit and then hit the shower. The curls are super defined. Wow, I love this mask so much. And it's a 2-in-1, 3-in-1. Detangular conditions your hair, makes it super soft, and detoxifies at the same time. So if you're not using this mask, I don't really know what you're doing, but that's on you. Yeah. So I just finished twisting my hair. It's currently 11 PM. So bear in mind, I started undoing my braids at 4:15. It's now 11. I did cook in between, but wash day is a day. You got other stuff to do in between. You can't really do in your hair the entire time. Because you get hungry. We didn't need to human beings. Like, no. So yeah, it did take a few hours to do. But it's all twisted up. I'm probably going to wear my hair in twists tomorrow. It is the last day of uni, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't think it's going to be dry by tomorrow morning at all. It is online lectures, but we kind of want to go to the library to watch them, listen to them, whatever, because it just helps being in like a studious setting. Like, this is just homey vibes. But I feel like sometimes I'll just listen to the lecture at home, whatever, but we're gonna go to uni tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be the first day like back at uni and over here, which is kind of weird because obviously I was on placement. But yeah, I'll continue like the hair vlog tomorrow, the undoing the twists I guess, and show you guys the results quickly. I need to wash my teeth quickly sort out the skin because yeah, and then go to bed because I need to be getting up on time tomorrow. Actually, this takes out so much energy. So much. Like, I haven't been on my phone like that. Like, I still need to reply to people because I literally, yeah. Once it's wash day, you're not gonna hear from me for at least a few hours. At least. Because that just adds more time. The time I'm taking to reply to you, I could be doing a twist or a braid or like deep conditioning or something. So
let me take you.
okay, so this is the twist out, really cute. I'm kind of in a rush because I need to leave soon, but I'll show you the back. So yeah, that's the twist out. I didn't get all of my clay out when I did my clay mask because I've got an overhead shower. It's kind of hard, but got most of it out. Curls are popping, looking cute. Some length is coming back already, to be honest, from the cut that I had, so that's good. I need to go to my lecture now, so yeah.